So the alternate definition of the derivative. So sa inyong textbook, this is defined as the alternate, but actually this is really the definition of the derivative. So the derivative of function dy dx, or the derivative f prime x, is equal to the limit of the function of x plus change in x minus the function of x divided by the change in x as change in x approaches 0. So mao ni siya ang atong definition. So again, the function of x plus delta x, or change in x, minus the function of x divided by delta x, or change in x as x approaches 0. Or simply, this is change of y divided by change of x as change of x approaches 0, or the limit of this function as change of x approaches 0. Okay, let's solve some sample problems. So in this case, we are asked to find what is the derivative of the given function 3x squared. Okay, so ato na siyang yung derivative for any value of x, and for x is equal to 2. Then ato rang gi show diri ang as the definition of the derivative as our guide. Okay, solution. So first ato siyang i-rewrite ang atong function. Okay, so the first thing to do is sa atong definition nato ang x plus anon og delta x. So kaning atong x nato ato siyang adan og delta x. So mao na ni siya f x plus delta x is equal to 3, and then kay naka man siya, naka squared man siya. So kaning x atong adan og delta x, then close quantity squared muna siyang x plus delta x squared. So ato rin siyang i-simplify. So kani siya, this is the multiplication of a binomial. So it pareho na siyang x plus delta x multiplied by itself. So ato na siyang i-simplify. So may tubaon na, we have x times x munang x squared, then x times delta x delta x, and then delta x times x, another x delta x, then delta x times delta x. So duha ka delta x mo siyang delta x squared. Then simplifying further pag yun, atong x delta x plus x delta x, so muna siyang 2x delta x, and then atong i-multiply ang 3 to each of the terms. So muna siyang 3x squared, then 3 times 2 6, then we have 3 delta x squared. Okay, and then according to the definition, so after nato ni siyang ma-add na ato siyang i-simplify, may nasan siya sa original nga function of x. So kani siya karon ato siyang may nasan of minus 3x squared. So what will happen? Ang 3x squared ug minus 3x squared will cancel out. So ang nabili nato is kanina lang 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared. Okay, let us continue. And then take note kang sa ato ang sa ato ang definition, kani siya atong i-divide og delta x. So kato atong ang atong term ganiha nga nabili na lang after nato sige giminasan og function of x, di ba? Mao na lang ni 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared. So i-divide na siya nato og delta x. Then take note nga sa 6x delta x ang delta x common sa duha ka term. So kaning delta x ato siyang ma-cancel sa duha ka term. So 6x divided by delta x nabili na to is xx na lang, kaya na-cancel mo ng delta x. Then 3 delta x squared divided delta x, we have 3 delta x. So humana tayo ini nga portion mo na ni. Ang next na to ini is ang atong delta x na to atong ipa-approach og 0. Okay, so muna siyang definition sa kon. Muna siyang definition sa kon. After ini niya mo kani siya nga term mao na ni. Then ang atong next ini is ang atong delta x atong ipa-approach og 0. Okay? So muna ni siya 6x plus 3 delta x as changes x approaches 0. So kaning atong delta x ini mahimo siyang 0. So kani. So 3 times 0 unsa na rin nabilin? 6x. So ang atong derivative sa 3x squared is equal to 6x. So this will answer the question na to nga letter A. Ang sa letter B, at x equals 2. So when x equals 2, what will happen to our equation? So mahimo siyang 6x. So instead of x na to equals 2 man, so mahimo siyang 6 times 2. Or at x equals 2, ang atong derivative nato is equal to, has the value 12.